friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Kitchenaid fridge. The customer's complaint was that the freezer compartment lights are off. They do not work at all. So I'm here to fix it. So here's the unit. On these units, very common problem when they leak water or if the lights are not working. The first thing you want to check is the bottom of the door. You see this this rubber cover sleeve piece that goes at the bottom of the freezer. You want to check that first. So there's two 1/4-inch screws. They go over there. You want to open those two. Once those two screws are off, you have a little bit of play to bring this rubber sleeve down. It's a hard plastic piece, rubbery. Once you take this down, you can pull from the back of that right there and kind of force it to the right hand side. Let me see. And then you would be able to pull this sleeve out and check for the breakage. So as you can see here, you see that cut there? There's a small damage there already. So a couple minutes I pulled it out completely. I checked it. The hose, the water line hose that goes to the dispenser also gets cracked or gets damaged from there. And if the unit is under warranty, you can order the whole freezer door and it comes with all of this wiring harness and the water line. But if it's not in warranty, it would be very tricky to fix it. I've repaired these a couple of times with success, but at this stage I do not have problem there. So just be careful. You want to check that wiring harness there, make sure none of the wires are damaged or pinched. If you get damage on the wire there, the lights were not working inside the freezer, or the dispenser light would stay off, or you will have different kind of problems. So that's the first thing you want to check. So I pull it out, check everything. This sleeve is damaged. I will advise the customer to not open the freezer door fully, otherwise they can have that problem too. The problem has started already, but I hope it doesn't get worse. So you can see the lights here, they're all off. And on this side and over there, that's off. So these are all off. The display is still okay because the customer doesn't have any kind of problem with the bottom of the door. And I'll go back and show you how to take the panel off. So the panel, you lift from the panel a little bit and then lift it up, bring it down. And you can see how it looks. And you can put this in a place to not scratch anything. I'll pass it to you. Thank you. And now the next part we are going to check is the door switch here. So we got two door switches here. One is here, that's for the fridge compartment, and the freezer compartment. So I'm going to open the freezer door. None of the lights are on. I'll close it. So all of these LED lights are in series. If one light breaks, it can damage, it would not let any other lights to turn on. So I'll close the freezer door. And now the fridge door. So you can see that light switch here. When I press on it, lights are going off. When I release it, lights are coming on. So I will also show you another trick here, how to find out in an easy way that which light is broken. You can see the light, the LED light is lighting up just very dim. So I'm going to press the door switch. Here I did. You can see the light, it comes on but very super weak. See, on, off. So I'm pressing the button on up top, light goes off, I release it, the light comes back on. So this light is working fine because I can see just a little bit light in there, a little bit brightness. And now I'll check on the left hand side. So I'll press the button, light went off. I release the button, the light is back. And now I'm gonna check the bottom one. So here's another one. I already tried to pull it out, it's halfway out. So I press the button on it, release the button, no light, nothing. So it's telling me that this light is the problem, but I have another light here, right across. See, it has a little bit of brightness. When I press on it, it goes off. I release the button, it comes on. And again, I'll go on this one. Press the button, release the button, nothing. So this light is the problem. I pulled this light out very easy because it was all the way out. These lights are very tricky to remove. So you see the notch on it at the back. You want to press this with a flat screwdriver. I wouldn't use a flat screwdriver because you can damage the light and the cavity itself. And instead I have a pry bar. This one I can use. It's a similar size from here to there, so I can easily put it on this side, and then from there I can force on it. Do not use anything from the front, always use it from the back. If you have to work here, you may want to remove all the shelvings and everything from this area so you have enough space. And I removed everything from here, added to the freezer compartment. I tried my best to not damage the light, but I still got a little small damage here, which is acceptable. I don't care because this light is garbage anyways. And you do not have to turn off the power, it's okay. You're safe, it's DC. And pinch on the connector here, release it, pull it out. And I have the lights here. This is also broken one. When you order the light, this is the light bulb here, the part number. It's called as a module. When you look on the parts diagram on Whirlpool or Maytag, Kitchenaid, Amana, any of those parts diagram, you would not see a LED light. It says module. So it was a little bit hard to find this part number, but I found it, so it's good. And it comes with the light bulb. It has a plastic cover LED. And just in case if you're working on a different unit that the connector is different, you can always use this. So I'll replace it now. Here the light is on LED. Okay, pinch it back in.
Okay, so this light was also part of the freezer compartment. This light was also off, and the light is also in series with the freezer compartment. So I replaced only one light bulb, and everything is fixed now here. Looks okay. So the unit has been fixed. I hope you guys don't have any problem in the future with these units. If you guys have any question, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.